Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to look at my E46 320 M10. So why do you think we call it M10? Wait and see. So here we have it. It's the E46 Seidl. And for those who know, I love Seidl Tuning. That was the only reason why I bought this car. The car is not the best condition, especially on the body. It's been standing outside for many years, so neglected by both me and previous owner. When I bought the car, it was covered in moss and so on, so we had to power wash the car at the nearest gas station just to be able to watch through the windows and so on. Then we planned on actually having the car on the trailer, but since the car was running so okay, smoothly, we just decided to F it and just drive it. So we drove the car for approximately 6-7 hours back home, and the car went flawlessly. It wasn't running as smooth, and there's also a fault code, and also the gas mileage wasn't too good. So there's something fishy about the engine, but it is what it is. So on this car we have so this is something I have never seen before. As you know, this is the Seidl Tuning Widebody kit. I've never seen Bondo cracked all the way up here, so I give a suspicion that the previous owner or the guy who built the car didn't exactly do an awesome job. Also, as you can see, there's a lot of cracks all the way up to the C-pillar here. So maybe the car was built after a damaged car. It's hard to say, but on this side they have actually decided to have Bondo all the way up to probably like almost on the top of the window, and it's all cracked and there's like corrosion beneath. So we need to take everything of this off. I will check with Seidl Tuning if they still have available new wide body kit, and then we can take everything off and just do it from the scratch up again, and then we can do it. So I'm gonna ask Seidl Tuning if they still have this fender. So as you know, on my previous E36 I talked about that there was like a lip around. So I'm going just to ask if they still have this available, and then we can fix it up and do it right again. For the rest of the car, the cool thing about this car is that it actually had the Gangster spoiler, same as I have on my blue car, the blue E46 Widebody. I think it's one of the coolest wings because it's large but not too big. And also I was never a fan of the Seidl air boot, so I'm gonna drop a photo down over now so you can see what I mean. So I always like the Gangster spoiler, so it looks very good, and I feel it fits very good on the E46 as well as the E36. If you look down here, you can see that the car has actually the cup killers or cup spoilers or whatever. That's the plastic lip all the way under the bumper. The car is also fitted with a dual exhaust system, so I should be able to polish this in another video. It looks like it's super sprint. Let's see here. Nasebring. So I don't know the brand of it, but we'll figure it out. So that's on the rear. On the lights, I'm not a huge fan, but it is what it is. So they are also like faded, and also they are cracked, and you can also see there's been water inside, so they are not in the best condition. Actually, it looks like this is OEM, and this is some kind of aftermarket LED shit. So yeah, it is what it is. So if you see on this side, you can see there's some, it's not as bad as the other side, but there is some cracks in the Bondo as well. So in order to fix this perfectly, we need to take it all off and do it right. Also, there are some kind of wheels on this car, multi-piece look-alike. Not a fan, you know. I'm probably going with Schmidt wheels on this as well. The car is the wheels are 19 inches front and back. So, but it is what it is. So here you can see the front fender is Seidl Tuning. So that's actually like the complete fender with glass fiber. Also, it has some E46 M3 mirrors. I'm not sure if it's original or aftermarket, but this sounds like aluminium. This is plastic, so maybe it's original, I don't know. The hood is a E46 M3 hood, so this is not a Seidl hood. This is an aluminium one. So, and also you can see the front bumper. Also, the headlights I'm not a huge fan of. In my opinion, they look horrible. There are some aftermarket, but also in bad quality. So you can see there's been water inside and very faded. They are chrome, so no. We have to go. I'm not a... I don't know if I like it or hate the eyelids. What do you think? Leave a comment in the description. Maybe we change it out or keep it. I don't know. There you can see how much of the water that's inside indicators. So, not so good. Also, the previous owner was a huge fan of M on everything. So this is the first time I've seen chrome M surrounds. It's terrible, it needs to go. And also the car is a chrome line. So I've had a lot of E46, but I've never seen this before. Not so nice, but okay. Also there's some kind of aftermarket chrome here as well. Not nice. And here we start with another M. So I don't know if it's something people like. Please leave a comment in the description. But I've never seen an M location like this, actually on both sides. There should be a criminal offense. So if we have a little look inside the car, we can see the car has also a M3. These appear to be original actually. There's a lot of carbon parts in this car, which is actually nice. It has like carbon overlay here, and also carbon on the inside. It's got a pretty nice Schmiedemann steering wheel, with carbon on top here. Please focus. Yeah. So, and also it's got some aluminium rings cluster and more carbon, and also carbon trim everywhere inside door, and even has some carbon trim over here. and another M emblem. So I think the owner was a M fan. So pretty much okay. The car also has a subwoofer and so on. And yeah, but the car isn't in too good condition. If you've seen my previous videos, you could see that I washed and yeah, and gave the seats and so on, everything in leather. I gave it a real treatment, and but as you can see, it's like, it's not badly worn. There's not like holes and so on, but it's just like partly worn and also discolored. You can do a lot of with washing, but you cannot get it perfect. So we can have a little look under the hood, and also more M. Whew, water. So it looks like pretty stock, but looks like there's a K&N filter. The strut brace is pretty okay, but here it's even more BMW M power and even a M filler cap. I think that's from the E46. Please leave a comment in the description if you think it is. So that's pretty much the E46 as it sits. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also please put on notification. This is the small bell under the video, so you will get a notification on the next time I upload a new video, because I try to upload a video 1 to 2 times a week, so it keeps me motivated to do this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, bye!